10 Email Marketing Automation Tools. Email Marketing. Hey there, marketing mavericks. In today's digital age, email marketing remains a powerful tool for engagement and conversion. But wouldn't it be fantastic to streamline the process and personalize it at scale? That's where email marketing automation comes in. Here's a breakdown of 10 top-notch email marketing automation tools to consider. 1. ActiveCampaign. Renowned for its user-friendly interface and powerful automation features, ActiveCampaign caters to a wide range of businesses. 2. HubSpot. HubSpot offers a comprehensive marketing suite with email automation seamlessly integrated, perfect for businesses seeking an all-in-one solution. 3. MailChimp. A household name in email marketing, MailChimp offers a user-friendly platform with drag-and-drop email building and marketing automation workflows. 4. GetResponse. Ideal for small and medium-sized businesses, GetResponse provides a robust platform with email marketing, landing pages, and marketing automation capabilities. 5. Drip. E-commerce businesses rejoice. Drip is a game-changer, focusing on customer journey automation specifically designed to boost sales from your online store. 6. Klaviyo. Another e-commerce powerhouse, Klaviyo leverages customer data to create highly personalized email experiences that drive conversions. 7. Constant Contact. A trusted choice for small businesses, Constant Contact offers a user-friendly platform with email marketing automation at an affordable price point. 8. MailerLite. Looking for a budget-friendly option with strong automation features? MailerLite is your answer, particularly for those with smaller email lists. 9. OmniSend. This omni-channel marketing platform integrates email marketing automation with SMS and other channels, perfect for businesses seeking a unified customer experience. 10. Brex. For high-growth businesses, Brex offers a powerful email automation platform with advanced segmentation and analytics capabilities. Remember, the ideal tool depends on your specific needs and budget. So, research these options, explore free trials, and discover the perfect fit to take your email marketing to the next level.